Here's the fourth tutorial for your essay. I'll make it as quick as I can because I know you're submitting today. Just going to cover two topics, and that's just citation and then uploading. So if you go to your essay assignment and take a look at essay 1 or essay 2, but we're going to look at essay 2. So in this student essay, I just wanted to focus in on the citations. You'll see that the citations are numbers, and the numbers go in the sequence of which they appear in the paper. So number 1 is the first reference, number 2 is the second reference. But this student, she has a third, so the third different reference she uses becomes number 3. If that reference gets repeated, it keeps the same number 333, as well as number 1 is now number 1 later on in the paper. This you carry over to your reference list. So it's not in alphabetical order, it's with the number of which it appears in the bulk of your essay. So the first reference that she used was Harris, the second reference was Sulawesi, street flycatcher, new species, so it's a website, and the third was the textbook. Now to get perfect on the draft and the essay, final submission, we expect to see 2 references. One would be the paper that you based your essay on, and the second one is most likely to be the textbook, but it could be something else. When you use other references, it's just viewed positively, but you can still get perfect if you were not doing extra work and getting extra papers. There was one question I got over email that I didn't respond to, but that is, if the paper doesn't have a volume or an edition and volume number or page numbers, what do you do? And there you would include that DOI number that I discussed in another video. So that's the digital identification number. But you don't need to provide that if it has a volume and page number already. Okay, so if we go back to, instead now I'm going to submit my essay. I'm going to go to the assignments or Dropbox. I put this in student mode, so now I'm looking at it as you would. You've got 2 boxes. This is the one here for your draft essay and scientific paper. All right, so there's some detail about what you're supposed to do. So you're supposed to upload 2 files. File 1 is a Word or PDF containing both your draft and plagiarism assignment, and File 2 is the PDF of the scientific article which you're using. So we expect to see 2 uploads. And I got a letter this morning or on the weekend from a student who didn't upload the right file, wants to upload another one. This folder has been set to take as many files as you want to upload. So, and I've told the markers to look for the most recent upload. But if you've had that kind of confusion, this box down here which says comments, you can write to the marker, dear marker, I'm not typing very well here, but anyway, dear marker, blah, 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 I've uploaded multiple files, please only view file number, whatever, and give them the name. And then you click submit. And when you've done that, you'll also get a notification from Brightspace saying that you've uploaded it correctly. All right, so I'll just leave it there, and good luck. There's already hundreds of files have been uploaded, so many of you don't need this instruction. We'll talk more when we talk about receiving comments from your markers and how you should respond, or how I'd recommend you respond for your final essay. Talk to you later.